Ladies and gentlemen, Heat for Days 23. We're here with another episode, part 2 of the Flight Club pickup unboxing review, winter recaps, the winter movement. I believe this should be the last one to the EXTs. Or these could be some J's or some pennies. On point. Hope everybody had good luck with the DBs. Now the pennies being re-released on, I think it's the 3rd or the 6th December. Hope all you guys got your 8s. If not, they're available everywhere. Do a video on them soon. Let's check out these with this part 2 Flight Club pickups, and this will be the last one, and review these joints like always, and kind of make this one snappy. Meaning snappy, I don't mean in not 30-25 minutes, because I'll do the whole video with all 3 of these joints: brown suede hazelnuts, the denims, the black mix, black suede joints. Then we'll do the corks and some other stuff. There you go, 10 US, 9 UK. Box price on these joints, I can't see it. Well, you see it says 350 right there. Shout out to everybody at Flight Club, man. Shout out to everybody at Flight Club, man. SGK23 on IG. Yeah, man. 597806 pause 400. Mid-Navy hazelnut fireberry joints. Good box. On point. Wow. Shout out to my folks and them. You guys, anybody that's not or doesn't follow Flight Club or mess with them, go get a hat or something from their website. Sign up and enter the Infrared 6 giveaway. And they're not just giving away the infrareds, the black joints that drop Black Friday. They're putting a pack together with the white infrareds too. So you're getting 2 pairs of kicks, whoever the winner is at Flight Club. So go sign up, log in, all that, and then they'll send you an email if you want to enter the contest. But you got to be a part of the movement. So go do that. You can win. Ooh, ooh, whoop, whoop. Sweet. Chill, man. For anybody new, we'll have a pretty good review right here. That out. There you go. Man, the denim fireberries, icy joints. These are one of my faves, man. This 3 lineup is one of my faves for the winter dressy sneaker feel. My peoples. Oh yeah, to the comment, the Flight Club tag, the little Flight Club tag and all that. Do not remove it, man. They when you get the kicks, OGs, whatever, 400, 1500, If you feel that like, oh, there's some yellowing or it's not up to par for a dead stock, whatever the case might be, send them back, get your money back. Once you take this off, they're yours, you gotta keep them. Okay, man. So here's these, man. The EXT LeBron 10 denim joints. So we got, let me unlace real quick. This one will be snapped because I'll do the whole movement on these. You got the icy bottom, man. X, Roman 10, LJ, King James right there, window, icy outer sole. And it looks with that fire berry because of the air unit with the small weaved in needle joint, so get that fire berry on the outside. The mid is that fire berry, like a fuchsia color. That bezel is just crazy, and you can see it's just like a crazy. And these are the denim. The whole shoe is denim blue, like 501s, man. Once again, the swooshes on the back, the swooshes on the front, they're all part of the same denim on this one. Kind of like a bleach on the back. The guts on this one are brown. They're not mustard. Like these joints mustard brown. These are like a hazelnut straight brown. Guts brown, insole that fireberry fuchsia color. Go to ticket, the snatch peoples. What up, yo? There's the signature tab on the tongue. There's the imprint on the little premium leather on the tongue. The whole shit is brown leather premium denim. You got the brown rope moccasin laces, hated by many, loved by few, just like me. Got the fly wire, the fireberry too color, crazy. There you go, the lion on this one. Comes with an extra pair of laces. If you want to keep the shoe sporty on these kicks, just swap them and get rid of that Euro or dressier feel. Put any of them. Waxed, really nice. They're rope, but different. They're not these joints. These look bananas on these with these laces. I actually put other leather ones that match. They're cool. You can put brown ones. Do what you want. Here's a little review pickup. Flight Club pickups. Got some more Flight Club pickups for the holidays, man. Yeah, once again, go sign up for you guys that are not. You guys that already are. Enter the contest. You can win the infrared 6-pack. 2 pairs of shoes. Infrareds that drop on Black Friday. And the white infrared 23 6s come in that pack. You can win it from Flight Club, man. What y'all think about these? Not much more to it than that today, because we are going to do the whole vid on the EXT quick strikes, hazelnuts, and all these joints. There you go. Ooh. Heat, man. For days. 23. Cliche. Bad out, bad out. Look at that. Clean. These shoes, this once again, some of you guys want on feet videos. Let's get the subs up. No, I'm not with those type of applications and paying for subscribers and likes. That's not how we do, because we monetize. So it's got to be official. So not with that, monetize, make money legally. There you got them, man. Anybody out there, youngster, newbie, somebody that had these on their bucket list, and for some reason never did it, for whatever reason it may be, if you love the 10s, this is fire, man. This is straight 501 denim, like your OG 501 navy blue denim. Crazy bananas, the 10s, faves. So yeah, 10 out of 10, man. You know, I get my sneakers from, it's always 10 out of 10. I got some videos uploading for you guys, man. Gray toe 13s, Nike pickups, Flight Club pickups, the pennies, some doing way away joints. Dornbeckers, we'll see how many of we run into. Do a video on 8s, or I might personally wait on them 8s. So I wasn't able to get none at retail. My partners did, not my size or anything like that, but those shoes probably put up anyway. So, but for some reason I don't feel like, even though I know certain shoes, like most likely I won't wear them. Sometimes I have 2 pairs, but for some reason I can't take a size 12 or 11.5. Even though I know I'm not going to wear it, I still kind of want it to be in my range. 10, 10.5, 9.5, maybe in Air Forces and stuff like that. There you go, man. SGK23 for days, man. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, man. Hit that subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, so we can get this channel popping. Flight Club pickup, quick little review, unboxing from them, and we'll get a very clear, focused video. All 3 of the EXTs, these, the brown suede, joint hazelnuts, the black mints, which are my favorite out of the 3 this year. I change with the times. I'm gonna do the autumn videos, and we'll do some on feet for some of you guys, because this doesn't do these shoes no justice to look at them like this. You see these joints with some of the outfits, or just how these look, how any of the different movement than looking on with the laces like this, not laced properly and all that. But you guys are tuned in and you guys know what it is. Shout out to all the sneakerheads, the sneak geeks, all the real MFs that keep it 100 and are solid. Y'all be easy, man. Be safe. Get ready for the holidays. They coming. Wow. And there we go, man. Look at that. There it is. The Flight Club pickup. EXT Denims, LeBron 10s. Alright, sub, like, share. Let's get it popping. Let's get some people some free shoes, some free stuff. Let's do some raffles. What y'all think? Everybody that's got them, you guys should be leaving all the comments. Let me know how you guys like these shoes. Who doesn't like them? All that. Recops, winter recops. These are the winter rotations, and by like New Year's, probably have like 17, 18 shoes, which will be the kicks that I will keep in rotation and rock probably till like April next year or something. And we'll get there. Alright, y'all be easy. There you have it. Flight Club, LeBron 10s, EXT denims, man. Blue navy denim shit with that fuchsia, man. Fire berries. Heat, man. And you know what it is once again. Shout out to my peoples in them. Over at Fight Club. Fight Club. First rule of Fight Club, you don't talk about Fight Club. Ha! Yeah, don't forget to go and try to win some free shoes, man. I know you guys can use it. I can. Anybody can. Ooh, 2 pair of 6s with the infrareds. Go sign up. Never know. They'll give them away randomly, too. Alright, man. Y'all be easy. 100.